So this is the assignment that's on Teams. This is what it looks like. So the first part just has exactly what we talked about in the video in case you forget. So this is everything we already went over. The next page in the assignment are all the ideas that we already went over. Then this is where you're going to start typing your answers. I'm going to work, and then you highlight by myself, with another person, like that. If you're working with other people, this is where you're going to write down their names. Here's where you're going to brainstorm your ideas. For example, a skit on the life of Frederick Douglass, a PowerPoint on how children lived during the Civil War. Once you decide on your final project, you're going to answer the questions. Did you check with your parent to make sure it's okay? Is your parent okay with who you're working with and that fact that you can actually meet virtually? Then you're going to answer these questions. For my project, I'm going to, for example, design a PowerPoint presentation on the life of Harriet Tubman. What materials do you need to complete your project? What help might you need? And then you're going to make a plan. So this is an example of a plan that you can use. You can change this plan because maybe you don't need all this stuff because your project doesn't require it. The first day stays the same. This is all the stuff you have to do today. Then, this is an example. Tuesday and Wednesday, you can research. Thursday, Friday, and Monday, you keep working on your project. And also Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, you write your reflection and you check for mistakes. Thursday, you practice presenting. And then we don't have virtual school on Friday. So this is a plan. You can change it, but you have to make the plan based on your project. This is for where you're going to start researching tomorrow. You can write down all your research here. Okay. One of the things you have to do is sign up to meet with Miss Antunes about your project. How do you do that? You're going to go to the link that I put in the tracker for Calendly. And here are all the times, the days where you can meet with me. So let's say tomorrow you want to meet with me at 9 a.m. Then you would click 9 a.m., confirm, you're going to write your name. Let's pretend. David Paredes Guerrero. Email. Colombia is the best at gmail.com. I need help designing the poster for my project. Okay, you write down whatever you need help with, and then you press schedule event. Don't worry, David, I'll cancel this one. It's okay. All right, so when you go back, if you go back to the Calendly, you'll see that 9 a.m. is still available because you're going to be meeting with no more than 3 people at a time with me. If you're doing it with a group, only one person needs to sign up. And for example, let's say as a group, you're like, okay, let's meet with Miss Antunes on Friday at 11 a.m. So then you can put here, Talon, I'm just throwing some names out, Nina, and I don't know, Joaquin. And then you pick one person's email address. Let's see. tollybear@yahoo.com. I'll just tease that Talon. And then you put here, we want to talk to you about our project idea. Okay. So only one person needs to sign up if you're working in a group, but make sure you put all 3 of your names. Schedule event. If you don't have an email address, you can use your parents' email. Just check with them. All right. If you have any questions, because we went through a lot today, go back and look through the presentation, the video, look at the document, the assignment in Teams, and email me if you have any questions. Good luck!